Hi, welcome to Chapter 3, Biopsychology. In this chapter, in this section, we're going to discuss our 3 learning objectives, which are explain the basic principles of the theory of evolution by natural selection, describe the differences between genotype and phenotype, discuss how gene-environment interactions are critical for expression of physical and psychological characteristics. That's the one we're really going to talk about, because for the other 2, I have these little charts. The theory of evolution by natural selection is pretty laid out, and the genotype versus phenotype is charted out also. Now, the 3rd learning objective, the physical characteristics really threw me off. But the example from the book is if a person is predisposed to be intelligent and they grow up in an environment that feeds their intelligence, then they will be intelligent. They will live up to their potential. However, if that same person is raised in an environment that does not feed their intelligence, the person will not achieve their predisposed level of intelligence. Another example that I had to really look for these examples because I needed to see it. And so another one would be musically inclined person, if they were born already loving music, it was in their DNA, and they were musically inclined. If they were raised in a home that fed that, then they would reach their potential. But if they are raised in a home that does sports and not music, then they're not going to reach their potential. That's their physical. Their psychological characteristics. The book gave an example of if a person is adopted and their mother, their birth mother was schizophrenic, and that person is raised in a chaotic home. I think the word the book used was disturbed, then that person has a very high chance of also developing schizophrenia. Where on the flip side, if that adopted person is raised in a calm, loving, undisturbed, normal environment, then that person is less likely to get schizophrenia. And so those are your 3 learning objectives for 3.1.